Tapos, suggest ako ng ukol na magsurat ko na ako. Na ako baga interesting, nagsurat ako from lyrics, which is surprisingly nakasulod. And this song is about narcissism, which is about MPD, mga tao na gina-abuse na rin ito ng mga tao, which is unknowingly direramaran dahil behavioral disorder nila. Bagang immature na mga tao na adult body. Unfortunately, ang mga na-abuse nila, diri maaram, nagkakamaya ng mga anxieties, mga depression, and one victim was my best friend who eventually namatay. So, this song is about kung na remorse or regret nila, which is unfortunately, diri ko natin mababatian kay sobra entitled hara atasera ego without consequences or mabugat na kabalyo, diri gud kita mabatayan na maarera pa sa ilo.
Entry number 8, Ballerina, composed by Leonardo Toti Tan, arranged by Toy Toy Tan, interpreted by Giovanni Leandra. Ladies and gentlemen, Ballerina.
sa'yo ako.